This is a turning point in Syria because something just shifted on the battlefield very quietly, very decisively, and it could redraw lines that have held for years. You're watching Times XP. My name is Riti Atri, and Tabqa has fallen. Syrian government forces they have taken control of Tabqa, a strategic town in eastern Syria. Now, this is not a symbolic win, not a minor outpost. It is a high value prize militarily, politically, and economically. And you know what? Damascus knows that. Let's dwell into why Tabqa matters so much. Tabqa sits east of the Euphrates River, a region long dominated by the US backed Kurdish forces. The town hosts the Tabqa Dam, controlling water and electricity for huge parts of Syria, a key military airbase, a gateway between eastern and northern Syria. So basically, whosoever controls Tabqa controls the leverage here over water, over power, over moment. Now, how did this happen? Well, the advance came after deadly clashes earlier this particular month. Syrian forces pushed forward step by step. Before Tabqa, Damascus had already retaken several neighborhoods in Aleppo from Kurdish fighters. This was not accidental. This was a campaign basically. The fight, it was really hard and really messy. As Syrian troops moved in, Kurdish forces reportedly blew up a bridge. The goal? The goal was to slow the advance, buy some time, create obstacles. But it did not stop their whole momentum. Syrian troops kept on coming. But you know what did people on the ground see? According to Syrian state media, residents in Tabqa welcomed the advancing forces. Images showed soldiers entering the town, flags that were raised, checkpoints established. In fact, Damascus is presenting this as a liberation. But the story is bigger than that particular one town because east of Euphrates, it has a red line for years. That particular area is rich in oil, agriculture, strategically guarded by Kurdish forces, in fact, protected indirectly by the United States presence. Now, for Damascus to push over there, it is a test limit. So, where do the regional power fit in? Well, this particular advance is being watched carefully and closely by Washington, by Ankara, by Riyadh, by Tel Aviv. Any weakening of the US-backed Kurdish control, it reshapes the entire regional calculation here. Some analysts see this as a blow to militia aligned with Western interest. Others see it as Damascus reasserting sovereignty with quiet regional approval here. And yes, the United States, the timing is very delicate for them. The US has been backing efforts to reduce tension between Damascus and Kurdish forces. Quiet talks, de-escalation channels, fragile understanding. Now this offensive, it raises a hard question. How far will Syria go? Is this the start of a bigger push? That is the bigger fear. If Tabqa falls without consequences, what comes next? More down east of Euphrates, more pressure on Kurdish control, a slow dismantling of the status quo. Here's the bottom line, ladies and gentlemen. Tabqa is not just a battlefield update. It is a signal. Damascus is testing boundaries. Regional players are watching silently and allies on the ground, they are being challenged here. In Syria, every move, it really matters. So tonight, the balance has shifted, tilted once again.